Hey guys, and in this tutorial, I wanted to talk about scheduling activities. So how can you schedule certain activities on your computer? Well, if you're scheduling something that is going to occur very frequently and you actually want it to occur consistently, use cron. Okay, so it is CRON. And if you want to schedule some one-off tasks, you can use the at command. Okay, so you can use at to schedule one-off things, and you can use cron to schedule things that are going to occur consistently in the future. Now, I have personally never done so, so I really don't think that I don't really feel qualified to explain these things, but I just want to make this video to tell you that you can use a Google search if you ever need to schedule some things. Okay, so just search for cron for things that should occur consistently or at for one-off things, and you're going to see how to schedule them. Okay, and I also wanted to say, because I read this from a book, which I read when I was learning Linux, that there are efforts underway to replace cron with parts of init, which are responsible for scheduling tasks. So if you are looking for scheduling tasks periodically, you should also kind of take a look if certain versions of init allow for task scheduling. Okay, and basically the reason why is that cron has become old. Again, I haven't used it, I just remember this from reading the book. Cron was old, and people wanted to replace it, and then they wanted to make a particular part of init. And again, init is the process with the PID of one who starts all of the system services, etc. And they said, well, why wouldn't init also be responsible for scheduling these tasks? Okay, so definitely do make sure to look into that. Depending on when you are watching this tutorial series, maybe cron is not the most recent way to do some of these things. But again, at the time of recording this tutorial, I think that it's a fair bet to say that cron is still used for scheduling tasks and that at is used for scheduling one-off tasks. But again, just to be sure, make sure to Google for example, systemd init or init versions, and then your particular distribution, and search and see if it offers some scheduling mechanisms. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something useful, and I will see you in the next tutorial.